Hello again. Sorry today if my voice sounds at all scratchy. I've got a bit of a sore throat and I'm starting to feel a bit ill. So I thought I would do this recording and see how I feel afterwards. Yeah. Anyway, guess what I'm doing today? Have a little guess. Yeah, that's right. I'm learning Cantonese. Imagine that. So anyway, on with the malarkey. Let's get the screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Pow! Right, so as you can see on there, I've been doing a little bit of practice today already. 194 words practiced and 92% accuracy. I've been finding it difficult, but I'm doing okay. The thing that I've been finding most difficult is the app has started doing a thing that it has never done before. It's just showing me just the character. It's not saying it out loud. I can't hear it. And I just have to look at the character and guess what it's supposed to go with. Now I find really hard because my main focus isn't to be able to read or write. If I could do that, if I could read or write Cantonese, sometime down the line, I'd be very happy with that. But my main priority is to speak. And so when it does that, I find it really difficult. But 92% accuracy. So that's okay. Anyway, right. So as mentioned in the previous video, let's get the volume up. Oh, the volume's already up. I'm going to do some practicing of the stuff in checkpoint 8, and then I'm going to do the checkpoint 8 test. I'm not confident about it, but we'll see how we go. Right. So rather than just going through and practicing them like phrase by phrase, I might just do the play bit. I've done the other two already today. So I'll do the play bit on this, play bit on the next one, and then we'll do checkpoint 8. And keep your fingers crossed for me that I managed to make it through. Right. How are you? 你好嗎？
你好嗎？
你好嗎？你邊度嚟㗎？ Where are you from? 你邊度嚟㗎？
你邊度嚟㗎？
你邊度嚟㗎？ Ooh, what do you do? Yep.
你返咩工㗎？
Yes, that's right. 你返咩工㗎？我教書㗎。I am a teacher. I'm not a teacher though. 我教書㗎。
我教書㗎。
我教書㗎。And you, Yep.
你呢？
That's a weird one because as you can see on there, it says it in the written down version as like an NE, but it sounds like they're saying le, not ne. That confuses me a little bit. Nele. Anyway, how are you? Well, it's not cookie because that is kukebeng or something like that. Ne hou ma.
你好嗎？
Ne hou ma. That is ge hao yao sam.
幾好啊，有心。
I love the gap. Ge hao yao sam. I love the gap. Ne hao ma. A little is 識少少.
識少少。
How are you is ne hao ma. Ne hao ma.
你好嗎？
Ne hao ma. 我都 no
我都係。
我都係 Where are you from? 你邊度嚟㗎？
你邊度嚟㗎？
我教書㗎。請你啦
我教
喎。
書㗎。
食少少 a little.
識少少。
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? 你返咩工㗎？ I think that's right.
你返咩工㗎？
你返咩工㗎？
我都係。
我都係。How are you?
我都
me
係。
too. I was doing so well. That is. How are you? No, that is. I don't know. So, what is your name? Is Neku Meme. The teacher ends in Suga. Yeah, it's got to be that.
你好嗎？
Oh, I've been doing well with that one already. One step forward, two steps back.
你幾多歲？幾好啊，有心。
幾好啊，有心。That's tourist.
遊客。
遊客。
你幾多歲？
你幾多歲？ Are you from here? Are you from here? Well, that is Chamyat is yesterday, Gamyat is today, Tingyat is tomorrow, so it's got to be.
你係咪本地人？
你係咪本地人？識少少。
識少少。
識少少。And you?
你呢？
See, look, it's an N.
你返咩工㗎？
What do you do?
你返咩工㗎？
你返咩工㗎？幾好啊，有心。
幾好啊，有心。
你邊度嚟㗎？ Where are you from?
你邊度嚟㗎？
識少少 a little.
識少少。
你係咪本地人？ Are you from here?
你係咪本地人？
你係咪本地人？識少少。
識少少。
識少少。See? That, I haven't a clue. I don't focus much on the characters, so this is just going to be a guess. I guess no.
我都係。
我都係。你好嗎？ And you?
你好嗎？
Oh, how are you?
尋日。
尋日。That was okay. Let's see what my accuracy is at today. Still at 92%. Oh, that really hurt my throat. Right, let's go to the last one. Super common words. We'll do a little play on that, and then we'll do the checkpoint 8. And then I'm going to stop recording and I'll probably go to bed. Even though at the time I'm recording this, it is currently 4 p.m. because I don't feel very well. Oh, light's gone off again. Oh, ghosty boy's shouting in. Oh, wait, quiet. Play. Super common words. See, this is what I'm talking about. I like.
我鍾意。
我鍾意. Don't say. I think that's the top left.
多謝。
Yeah, I find these really hard. because I don't really pay much attention to the
我
characters.
中意，
我中意, and my priority is to learn to speak. Is this mha? Well, that doesn't look like I'm gonna be triumphant. Oh,
唔係
oh, it's mhai, not mha. Mhai. You just asked me that.
唔係
Mhai. Day.
大
Bay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah, we got
或
that.
者
What there? Ah.
我中意，
我中意
或者
或者 this is that, no, that, no, that, and then that.
呢個佢
It,
佢
it. This,
呢個
係 yeah,
唔係
係
佢
佢 excuse me, you just asked me that. 佢and
同
同
再見
by
再見
再見
呢個
this
呢個
it'd help if I could hear it. Oh, that's no.
唔係
係 thank you, that's 多謝
多謝
多謝 or
或者
或者佢 it
佢唔係
唔係 no
唔係
唔係
我中意
I like
我中意
我中意 Say is small,
細
day is big,
大
tong is and.
同
Wins on wins on wins. This boop no boop no boop, and then it's this one boop.
呢個
Day
大 Hi
hello
Hi
hi. Ooh, naughty naughty. Well, the bottom left is this. The top left is I like. So I think it's got to be the top right, because I think this is one that has two characters. Oh no! Oh, I was doing so well.
細
Say this. Boop, boop.
呢個
And
同
it.
佢好
Whole. I like.
我中意
我中意
好，
好
呢個，
this
呢個，
或者
或者，我中意，
我中意 almost had a perfect then. Oh well, can't win them all. 92% accuracy with 198 words practiced. No new words. Had a big surge of new words on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That must have been exciting. Right. Let's go. Checkpoint 8. Let's do this. Let's do the checkpoint 8. Time to review communication essentials. Here we go.
早晨，呢個叫咩？呢個叫咩？午安，午安，早晨，早晨，
Okay, because I've only got 3 lives on here. This is where it's really difficult.
尋日，
尋日 I'm leaning in for this one.
你幾多歲？
你幾多歲? Do you understand? Ooh, I don't understand the characters. What do I do here? Nope. Oh, that was brutal. You only gave me
你明唔明？
2 goes. Brutal. Absolute brute.
早晨，
Good morning.
識少少
A little.
，Hi
Hello.
Hi，識少少，識少，早晨，早晨，
Halfway there. Living on a prayer. Bob. Bob.
早唞，
早唞.
早晨，
早晨.
遊客，
Tourist.
遊客，
Tourist. Bye. Bye.
再見，
再見. Boom, boom, boom,
細
boom,
大
boom,
呢
boom.
個
Did I pass the checkpoint 8? I think I did checkpoint passed. Checkpoint 8 passed. Wallop! Right, does that mean I get to choose what's next? It's checkpoint 9. Select unit. Should we do that or should we save that for the next video? I think we save that for the next video. Let's save that for the next video. I'll make you come back on it. Be seeing what the next unit is. That'd be exciting. Who knows what it could be? I have no idea. I haven't even looked at the options. Once I stop videoing, I might have a little sneak look at the options. Anyway, that's not too bad for today. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you could do the like and the subscribe thing and let people know about this and, you know, show it to your mum and your grandma and let them have a good laugh at how bad I am. But I am trying. I'm trying. I really am. I've been doing this now 45 days in a row. And I think the first 10 of those days I was only doing 10 minutes a day. But anyway, that's me done for today. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely morning. Have a lovely afternoon or evening, depending on where you are when you're watching this and what time it is. And yeah, see you later. Next unit next time.